Hey everyone, have you ever wondered what exactly is finance? Well, today, I'm breaking it down into 4 easy-to-understand parts. Sit tight, and let's dive into the world of money management. First up, let's talk about personal finance. It's all about managing your money, budgeting, saving, and investing. Think of it as the art of making your money work for you so that one day, you won't have to work so hard for your money. Next, we have corporate finance. This is the money playbook for companies. It's how businesses manage their funding sources, their capital structuring, and investment decisions. Essentially, corporate finance helps companies grow and expand in a sustainable way. Then, there's public finance. This concerns the management of a country's revenue, expenditures, and debt load through various government and public agencies. It's about how the government allocates resources to keep the country running smoothly. And finally, we come to behavioral finance. This is a fascinating area that explores how psychological influences and biases affect the financial behaviors of individuals and institutions. It's why even the smartest people can sometimes make irrational financial decisions. So there you have it, finance in a nutshell. It's not just about numbers and charts, it's about making informed decisions that can lead to a secure and prosperous future. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to manage your finances wisely.